Okay, today we're going to go over the solution to the Bellwork problems from Friday, September 25th. So here we are given a graph, a coordinate plane with a bunch of points on it, and the directions say state the coordinates of each point. Remember, when we are finding coordinates, we are finding an ordered pair. Coordinates is the location of that point on our graph. And so when we find an ordered pair, our x value comes first and our y value comes second. So we are always going to start at the origin here at 0, 0, right where I just put this smiley face. That's your starting point. To find your x value, you want to see how many blocks do you have to go to the right or to the left of the origin. So x is your horizontal shift. How many am I moving to the right or to the left from that 0, 0 point? To find the y coordinate, you want to see how many units do I have to move up or down on the y-axis. So left or right first, and then up or down. So now that we did a quick review of what an ordered pair is, we're going to actually go through here and answer these questions. So point E, we have to remember start at 0, 0, find point E on the graph. We go 5 to the right and down 7. So our answer, down 9. So our answer here is 5, negative 9. The 9 is negative because we went down from the origin. Point F, we start at 0, 0. We go 5 to the right and down 4. So our answer is 5, negative 4. Those two numbers do need to be in parentheses with the comma in the middle because we are writing the coordinates. We're writing an ordered pair. Point G, again, start back at the origin, over 10, up 4. Coordinates of point G are 10, 4. Point H, look, is right there on the origin. We don't go left or right or up or down to get to point H. So the coordinates of the origin there are 0, 0. Point I, we go 3 to the right and up 4. So our coordinates are 3, 4. Point J, now we're moving to the left. So our x value is going to be negative 3 and our y value is going to be negative 10. 3 to the left, down 10 from the origin. You always start at the origin when you're finding the coordinates of a point. Point K, we go 7 to the left, so our x value is going to be negative 7, and 2 up, so our y value is going to be positive 2. Point L, again, we go 7 to the left, so we know our x value is going to be negative 7, and then we go down 7, so here our y value is also going to be negative 7. Point M, we go 10 to the right, so our x value is going to be positive 10, and up 2, so our y value is going to be positive 2. And then finally, point N, we go left 3 from the origin, so our x value is going to be negative 3, and then we go down 8, so our y value is going to be negative 8.